Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the essential guide to industrial lubricants. Whether you work in manufacturing, construction, oil and gas, or any industrial environment, understanding the right lubricant for your equipment can improve performance, reduce maintenance costs, and extend machinery life. Let's get started. Industrial lubricants are essential for keeping machinery running efficiently, safely, and reliably. They reduce friction between moving parts, minimizing wear and tear while preventing costly equipment failures. In addition to reducing friction, lubricants help dissipate heat, protect metal surfaces from rust and corrosion, and keep machines clean by carrying away dirt and contaminants. Choosing the right industrial lubricant depends on factors such as operating temperature, load, speed, and the type of equipment being used. Common lubricant types include hydraulic oils, gear oils, compressor oils, greases, and cutting fluids, each designed for specific applications. Regular lubricant inspection and timely replacement are equally important. Using contaminated or degraded lubricant can reduce machine performance, increase energy consumption, and shorten equipment lifespan. Proper storage also helps maintain lubricant quality. By selecting the correct lubricant and following a consistent maintenance schedule, businesses can improve productivity, reduce downtime, lower maintenance costs, and extend the service life of valuable industrial equipment. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.